Some days ago I faced the issue. My camera was charged to 100%. A few days later I decided to take my camera, go out and start filming, and when I turned it on I saw that the battery was almost empty. So I was very surprised and I decided that my battery is too old, it needs to be replaced, but as it turned out the battery is okay. And the culprit was the Bluetooth connection, the enabled Bluetooth connection. So here is how to disable the Bluetooth connection on X3000 and similar models of Sony action cams. Now I will show the example. As you can see, my camera is powered off, but on my smartphone I can go in camera remote power on off. And here I can select power on and look what happens. The camera wakes up. For some reason it writes could not turn on the power on the camera, but it works. The same way I can disable it, and it uses the Bluetooth connection. Look what happens. It is all over the Bluetooth. Consequently, camera, even it is turned off, it uses the Bluetooth connection all the time. It waits to be remotely turned on or off on whatever. So it wastes energy and drains battery. How to power off Bluetooth or put your camera into airplane mode to disable all wireless modules altogether. First, power on your camera by pressing this button up top. Now, using the menu button, go to menu. Now, press the arrow down key 3 times to highlight the advanced settings. Press the rec key to dive into it. Now use the arrow key to highlight the airplane mode and press a rec key to dive into it. Now you can activate the airplane mode, and as you can see, everything now is grayed out. So you have disabled Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct and GPS. Everything is off. Now you can power off your camera and not to be afraid of discharging while it is off. Thank you for watching. Please share this video if you find it useful.